filter. Now, oh, you gotta drink healthy water if you want to live long. Oh, hello guys. Sorry about that. I didn't know the camera was rolling. Welcome back to another unboxing guide. Today we're showing you guys this water filter. This is a countertop water filter. So let's go ahead and see what you get and how it looks, how it performs. All right guys, so this is what it looks like. We will show you guys up close, but for now I want to just kind of demonstrate. You twist this top piece off like this. All right, so you got to be a little careful. There's going to be a filter inside. You're gonna have this washer inside on the bottom of the filter. So you're gonna have these filters that you would change every so often. Refer to the listing and manual, and that filter is just gonna go back in like this. So it's easy to replace. They do last a long time. And then you just simply place it right down directly in the center, twist it back on, and just like that. That's how it gets filtered. You know, it's very simple. So you also then connect this to your spigot. They also do give you this little piece as well, and they give you a clamp here, so you'll probably need a flathead to take it off. But let's go ahead and show you guys how it looked installed. So guys, for our spigot, it was a direct fit, and let's go ahead and show you guys how this works. All right, so clearly we gotta make it a little tighter. We don't have it tight enough, so if it does water leak out, you gotta make it tighter. All right, this is better. So as you guys can see, you got your regular spigot. Now again, we took this piece off, so this came off, and then we just thread it right on. You can play with it. There's multiple different ends. You can take rubber pieces out to make stuff work. Use this that they give you for different sizes. But for us, we just simply took it off, thread it right on. Now, so how this works is there's a little lever over here. When you turn that on, now make sure you don't use hot water with your filter. Now, oh, that looked disgusting. So, at first, that's what came out. So make sure you run it for a little bit before you actually drink it, because that black stuff looked pretty rough. We'll definitely check out the manual to see if that's normal and stuff. Kind of breaks up a little bit like that. So that's probably what that was. We'll go check out the manual for you. Okay guys, so yeah, right here we see, when using for the first time, it is necessary to rinse the activated carbon, open the water inlet faucet, water inlet valve, and after the black water is drained, it can be used normally. If the water process is not used for more than 3 days, the water processor should be rinsed repeatedly for 2 to 5 minutes when it's used again. So that's in your manual. There's a bunch of stuff in your manual. So let's go ahead and show you guys. All right guys, I went ahead and took the filter out. What I'm going to do is just rinse the filter off a little bit. Just kind of rinse it off, get any black that could be around it. And we're going to go ahead and put it back on. But yeah, so far this unit is so simple, very easy to use. And definitely, if you're someone who's drinking tap water, that's very, very, very bad for you guys. So please be smart, get something like this. We're going to go ahead and put this back on and close it up. Let it run for about a minute or so, and we're good to go.